So, this is the electrical unit of the district or municipality, and I'm here at the park. So, graffiti to mask the rather boring facade of the electrical building. And see here, we have a nice park where people can, relax. Now, today it's very sunny, and what else can I say? There is a school over there, and normally there's an ice cream stand. The wooden hut over there. That's where students get their popsicles.